What's up, guys? So today I put a dent in my dad's truck and I'm trying to do this without him knowing. So first step is clean around the dent, just like that, with some alcohol or something. Alright, so step number 2, blame it on someone else. So you gotta rub it in nice and tight. Gotta make sure there's no air bubbles in the coyote. And then just like that. I'm gonna take the bottom right here. Peel it. Oh, this is hard. Oh, it's looking good. Alright, so hopefully my daddy don't notice, and let's blame it on my mom. So this is how you fix a dent without your dad knowing. So pass the blame on to my mom. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers. Peace.